Oh my god, guys, I'm very disappointed. The reason why is because we got low battery, so the computer suddenly got low battery, so now it's charging, and that's the reason why it turned off. But I guess it's like we still needed to end, plus it was 31 minutes. So now part is well, let's pretend like this is our new video. Get up. Ooh, I think we might need to get some money first. So let's go back to our lunch. I wanted to get the stony hands and I forgot. So annoying already. But I got at least keys. So today, well, or not today. I guess now I'm gonna be going and unlocking new place. And oh my god, these guys are still agitated. So much harder to get the floor. Oh, there's a lot of chickens. Okay. We're gonna need to work our way to getting the dark place. We are going to get the door unlocked. Go there. I still don't know how to get the light. Go. My wrist is so sore. Oh my god. What? Eat? Maybe if you remember, the mods find could be here. I told you guys, I think I might have unlocked the mods, but I'm not sure. Well, it doesn't look like it's here. It would be way more space. And it looks like there's not. Either they're very rare, or they just smash. I don't see any other news there. Check the map. We also might get the new energy. It's like a country now. Anyway, my keyboard is so hot. No. Either they could be in a different place. True, so yeah. Look at the puddles. Maybe I might release this one on Tuesday, and then third, I'm not gonna do it today. Maybe not actually. I might just do it. To be honest. Oh, they got. Oh my god. Can you get puddle? You will see that we're gonna get right away on 1,000. This looks so much. Lord. We got over 1,000. Yes. E. Oh no, we're not to these guys. We're gonna actually do those guys first. That will be already 13. So we got handy, and we also have chickens. So it's pretty handy. Already near 1,000. We got scrolls. Sweet H. It was still F. This one. The rod also costs a lot. Thing. Oh no, it doesn't. We need the more pedal port. Oh, or I think I have that. So first E, then curl E. That's more like when we get. I guess if when we get the. Oh my god, the net. Whoa. What's this? Where's nothing? Oh, they're growing. That's scary. The carrots. Or we can get the Why is the rat in here? You shouldn't get out. Maybe it's scared. And then there, I think there's a box. Is it? There we go. I just need to get into it. Oh, there's so good. Oh, there we go. That the garden was good. There used to be like a thing where like there's no what is it called? Oh yeah, the garden. All the vegetables would be gone. I guess that's how gardening works in real life. Then it made it more hard and annoying because the vegetables gone or fruit. Then they just added them and where I play on Xbox, it disappeared when you to use. Now when I'm playing here on PC, that like there was no grass. But still works. That's a very, very good thing. But anyway, it's only a few things. Maybe there's one your job. I mean, we already got the corral. I'm just scared that they won't fly away. And that will be maybe the end. Even though maybe it's less, sometimes you want to make less, sometimes you don't. So, yeah. Oh, we were just enough. And that will be the end. And see you well, maybe whenever I do enough. Bye.